Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigned from his post on 21st July, citing medical reasons. In a letter addressed to President Draupadi Murmu, Dhankar said that he was stepping down with immediate effect to prioritize his health. This resignation was tendered under Article 67A of the Constitution. Notably, Dhankar had assumed office in August 2022 and was expected to serve till August 2027. His resignation comes on the first day of the monsoon session of Parliament. He also served as chairman of the Rajya Sabha. In terms of health, well, you must know that the Vice President had undergone angioplasty at AIIMS, Delhi earlier in March and he was admitted for a few days. While he had appeared unwell at some events, he was largely seen as energetic in public appearances. So main question, what happens next? When will the next VP elections held? So according to Article 68(2) of the Constitution, an election to fill the vacancy must be held as soon as possible. The elected Vice President will serve a full 5-year term from the date of taking office. The election will be conducted by an electoral college comprising members of both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, including nominated members, using proportional representation via single transferable vote. In the interim, Rajya Sabha proceedings will be chaired by Deputy Chairman Harivansh, who is a Janata Dal United MP and who has held the position since 2020. He is considered a trusted figure by the government and a possible contender for the Vice President's post as well. Now let's have a look at Jagdeep Dhankar's life and his political career. Born on May 18, 1951 in Kithana village of Rajasthan's Jhunjhunu district, Dhankar came from a farming background. Once seen as a reluctant politician, his re-entry into politics as Governor of West Bengal in 2019 surprised many. He held that post until 2022 before being elected as the Vice President. In his political career, Dhankar served as a Union Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs in the Chandrasekhar government and was a Lok Sabha MP from Jhunjhunu from 1989 to 1991. He later served as an MLA in Rajasthan from 1993 to 1998. Over the years, he has been associated with the BJP, Congress and Janata Dal. As Vice President, Dhankar was known for frequent confrontations with the opposition in the Rajya Sabha and for raising concerns over the separation of powers between the judiciary and legislature. Earlier this month, he had said in a lighter vein that he would retire in August 2027 subject to divine intervention. But now, his resignation has surprised many. What are your thoughts on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.